Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Have you ever wondered how NEXO pricing works? Well, wonder no more. We're here to break it all down for you in the simplest way possible. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer from NEXO. Now let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of NEXO pricing. First off, let's talk about NEXO's instant crypto credit lines. Imagine having access to cash without selling your precious crypto. You can keep your investments intact while still having liquidity. NEXO lets you borrow against your crypto at super competitive rates. We're talking as low as 0%. Yes, you heard that right. NEXO uses a dynamic interest rate system based on your loyalty tier. There are 4 tiers: base, silver, gold, and platinum. The higher your tier, the lower your interest rate. It's a simple yet effective way to incentivize holding NEXO tokens. The more NEXO tokens NEXO you hold, the higher your tier. This encourages users to invest in NEXO tokens. Now let's discuss earning interest on your crypto. NEXO offers up to 12% interest annually on your crypto and fiat assets. The interest is paid out daily. This means you can see your balance grow every single day, so you can watch your balance grow every single day. NEXO makes it simple and transparent. NEXO doesn't charge any hidden fees. No withdrawal fees, no deposit fees, nada. You get to keep more of your money. And let's not forget about NEXO's exchange. You can swap between 300+ market pairs at the best prices. It's quick, easy, and super user-friendly. Plus, you can earn cashback on every trade. So, to sum it all up, NEXO offers a comprehensive suite of financial services that cater to both new and experienced crypto users. NEXO offers low-interest loans, high-yield savings, and a seamless exchange platform. It's like the Swiss Army knife of crypto. Don't miss out on these amazing opportunities. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer from NEXO today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto content. Thanks for watching.